Hi everybody, it's Sarah Cray with Let's Make Art, and I wanted to do an August reveal video. If you have no idea what we're talking about, every single month I put out these digital projects that you guys are able to purchase and paint along with me. I would say they're more for experienced beginners or intermediate painters. There could be some that are beginner friendly, but it's something that keeps this business alive. And it's something that I really enjoy. So I come out with new projects every single month and we paint them together, and it's fantastic. So for August that we have coming up soon, I was really trying to think about what it is that we should paint. I was thinking about the time of year, I was thinking about all of that kind of stuff. Well, some of you may or may not know that I have a journal that I paint in just about every weekday morning. Okay. It is free time for me to play. It is creative. It is how I'm able to keep painting at the pace that I paint, and I love it so very much. And I noticed lately that I have been receiving a huge amount of messages from people asking, can you teach us how to paint that? Can you please teach us how to paint? Please teach us, and I was just like, okay, what if actually for the month of August, the theme is projects from my journal.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
So that is what we're doing. And basically I went back and I went through all of the amount of messages that I got. And I even asked you guys on my Instagram, like, what is it that you would really want to learn? And I grabbed the projects that I saw the most of. Okay.
Okay.
So the very first project that we are going to be painting together, and I'm going to do my journal and then the big version as well for you guys to see. Let me find it. Hold, please. Michael, calm down. Okay, so our very first project, color wheel oranges. I'm super excited for this project because basically I'm going to talk to you guys about the color wheel and how to get, super vibrant oranges and how complementary colors work off of each other and how you can use complementary colors for shadows, all of that kind of stuff. I'm really excited about it, and it's a really fun, painterly painting, and you guys responded so positively to it, so I'm excited to share that with you guys.
Awesome.
Okay?
Super awesome.
The second project that we are going to be painting for this. I love this so much. Okay. Are you guys ready?
Ready.
Our second painting. Drum roll, please.
Drum roll.
Our lily pond painting.
Oh, so good.
So good, right?
Yes.
So this was the one I painted in my journal. We're going to be doing it on a larger scale and a little bit of a different format. I'm really excited to teach you how I approach doing lily pad pond painting, so then you can take that information and run with it. Honestly, the amount, I did another lily pad painting right here. The rules are the same. I want to do more. Honestly, I just want to keep going. And I hope that the information I share with you with this tutorial, you can take it and run. Okay?
Okay.
So that is the second project. And then our third project, and this was probably the most requested project. Drum roll, please.
Drum roll.
Our peacock painting.
Oh.
I love this project so much. And the reason why I love it is because it seems like there's so much information here, which there is, but we actually just use brushstroke to create all of this. And you'll see what that means when we go to paint. But we break it down, and it's more just about how can we create different textures and direction with our brushstroke. And then that gives the information to our viewer of what it is, which is super cool.
It's super interesting.
It's super cool. So I love it. I can't wait for you guys to paint these with us, and it's going to be super fun. Now, a couple of things, because we are doing journal themed as our theme for the month of August. I thought it would be super fun if the bonus item was actually a Bella Classica journal.
Oh, yeah.
So one person is going to win this. We also have a couple extra videos in there about color theory as a bonus item, but I will be giving away one of these items, this Bella Classica journal, to someone that purchased the August box. So I'm really excited, and I think that's super fun, and it's just a way to celebrate journals And the fact that, I mean, like, these are really hard to come by now.
That's what I was going to say. They're hard to find now.
Yeah, like, honestly, Bella Classica does a journal drop, and that's what I use. I think this is my third that I filled up. I'm totally obsessed with them. They take these, like, books and then rebind them using high-quality 100% cotton paper. And, like, even if you follow them religiously, whenever they do a drop, they're sold out within minutes. And so I thought it would be super fun. I have a couple extra that I asked them to make for me. And so one lucky person will be winning their own Bella Classica journal.
Dang.
Okay?
Nice.
Okay. Now, before we sign off from the August reveal, which I'm super excited about, and I hope you guys have fun, I just want to remind you of a couple of things. July 31st, 8 p.m., that is the cutoff for our holiday card making box pre-order. And so what that means is we decided to do a deconstructed box for the holiday cards. And that means you have your paint set, you have cards, you have the education, and you have the tape, which I just don't have right next to me. But you can just pick and choose what you guys need. For this physical supplies, those are a pre-order. So if you want to order them through us, you need to place your order by July 31st, okay?
So we can get our order in and get them to you.
So we can get our order in, and they should ship to you around September. And that gives everybody plenty of time to paint holiday cards before the holiday season, okay? Now, you can buy the tubes of paint individually, or you can buy them as a set. For those who do buy it as a set, as a thank you from us, we are offering these 2 bonus cards for those who purchase the set of paint. No, you do not need to purchase the cards, the tape, and the paint to get these. You just need to order the set of paint in order to get these, okay?
Perfect.
If you don't want the set of paint because you already have your paints and you still want to buy these, you can buy them separately, okay? But if you buy the paint of set, they come with it.
Perfect.
All right? So get your pre-orders in by the 31st for the physical supplies. When it comes to the education, that's an evergreen item that is going to be available on our website always from now on. But just as a little extra incentive for you guys, if you do order the education, and let me just put out the cards here to remind you of what that education looks like. It's so cute. Merry everything. It's just so happy. So these are the 5 card designs you will get when you purchase the education. And if you purchase the education within the pre-order window, so before July 31st at 8 p.m., you will also receive this ice skating rink tutorial as just a thank you from us.
So cute.
So cute, right?
Yes.
I love these projects. They're super happy and they're so fun. They're done in gouache. You can try them in watercolor. If you're willing to just do the work to do that, that's no problem at all. So just a reminder, if you want this ice skating rink tutorial, you'll just need to purchase the education before July 31st at 8 p.m. Okay? And these tutorials are going to release in September whenever the physical products come in. Okay?
Perfect.
All right. Now, if you're new to Let's Make Art and you have no idea how to purchase education or how to view education, I understand that that can be scary and all of that kind of stuff. Basically, once you make an account on our website and once you purchase videos through that account, they're in your account. So they're always there once you purchase them. And if you don't want to purchase education, but you want to paint along with us, we put out a jellyfish tutorial here that is free for everybody who just makes an account with Let's Make Art. So if you want to paint this and you want to see maybe the process of what it is like to purchase one of the lessons, we created one for free just so you guys can get used to the feeling of it. Whenever there are lessons that we sell online, it comes with a video tutorial, it comes with an outline if applicable, and it comes with written step-by-step instructions as well as a supply list. Okay, so when you go to create an account at Let's Make Art, you can paint this. All of that information is going to be there in your account once you make it, and then you can just paint merrily along.
For free.
For free. Okay.
Excellent.
And of course, I will continue to be putting out quality educational content on our YouTube channel just because I like you guys. All right. Thank you guys so much for painting with me. I can't wait to do August with you. I can't wait to paint Christmas cards with you. And I really hope you take advantage of this jellyfish tutorial because it is super fun. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.